Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for August 3rd, 2020. If you look at the chart here on the SPY, so right now the market is still in the uptrend. As you can see that today market get up and then they go sideways, so they will still hanging there. So we are not too far away from the all-time high here. So let's see, the market will be able to continue to get up, but as long as the momentum is still in the uptrend, they still in the uptrend. And in the shorter time frame, you can see that SPY they shoot it up and then they go sideways. So the whole day they just go sideways. Probably if they try to pull back a little bit, so that they can get some more momentum and continue to the next direction. So that's the direction of the SPY. So as long as the market is still bullish, so we will stay with the uptrend. And if you are a day trader, and you can see that the market is uh, in the morning they go nowhere. So after Friday they run up, and then they overnight they put it back up, and in the morning they still go sideways. So you can see here in the smaller time frame, uh, when the market open, it slammed down a little bit, but I don't see any bear coming in. So the bull would try to put it back up. They slam back down, so they just go sideways for the whole day. So look like they ran out of gas. So it's a strong move since Friday. So probably they try to pull it back down and gain some momentum before they can get back in. So I'm the opportunity for the trader if you're early, and then you can get some move here. Other than that, after that, they just go sideways. It's very choppy with low volume. So I jump in and take a quick trade here, and then get out and do more option and swing trading. So the total net profit at $116. So if you look at the overall market, that everything else is still right now it's still bullet, as you can see here. So the YM they go up, but they stuck at the sell zone right now. The NQ would also get stuck at the sell zone. The Russell 2000 it also put it back very strong, but they probably have to pull back a little bit, and gold is still go sideways, uh, but they are losing momentum a little bit. And oil it try to come back up, and then they retest, and then they pull back down again. So the euro it tried to pull when they hit to the top here, they reject it, and then they continue to in the downside. Bond it completely collapsed after they hit to the top here, and then they still in the downside right now. So the Bitcoin is strong. They try to retest the upper resistance here. So if they can clear this one here, they still have more room to go to upside. So if you look at the couple of stocks that we highlight yesterday, so the Palo Alto Network is still doing well. They are still hanging there very strong. And EVER is still today they jump up to 3%. Not bad. And a lot of stuff that we have been follow like PNR is still doing very well. So overall, the market is still trending up. Okay, everybody, most of the top in the tech sector, they doing well. The home in-home product is still doing well. So those sectors that we still continue to focus and to see where the market heading to. So usually at August it the very low volume, so the market it go more likely in the sideways, but the trend is still up. So they do try to find a way to put it back up. Okay, in the upside, we are not too far from the all-time high. So sooner or later they will find a way to get up there, and then we will see what happened when they retest the pivot high, and then we go from there. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will let you know so that you can take a look. If you would like to learn how to understand financial market, how to trade and understand and reading the chart correctly, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.